The film opens on an island, where Moana and her pet pigs, Pua and Hei, race through the jungle searching for ancestral artifacts. She hopes to find other ocean-connected tribes, but all she discovers is an ancient vessel with carvings of her ancestors. Moana sails back to Motunui, where she is welcomed by her parents Tui and Sina, and her younger sister Sima, who idolizes her older sibling. Other islanders recount tales of Moana as a legendary guide who joined Maui to save their island. Elsewhere in the ocean, Maui finds a cave. Inside, he confronts a sorceress named Matangi, who serves the god Nalawohu, who harbors a bitter grudge against Maui and all humans. Maui wants to find the lost island of Motunui, which Nalawohu sent underwater. When Matangi suggests he needs Moana's help, Maui says he will keep her out of it for her safety. Matangi then traps Maui in the cave. Desperate, Maui begins to understand that he might need Moana's unique connection to the ocean and her ancestors' knowledge to overcome Nalawohu's magic. He sends a message to Moana, explaining the danger and his need for her assistance. Moana, though hesitant due to the risks, feels a pull towards her destiny and sets sail once more, determined to help Maui and save her island. The journey is perilous, filled with monstrous sea creatures and treacherous currents. The bond between Moana and Maui deepens as they face these challenges, their differences fading as they learn to trust and rely on each other. They finally reach Motunui, now submerged, and discover the source of Nalawohu's power, a stolen heart of Te Fiti, the goddess of creation. A thrilling battle ensues, with Moana using her courage and knowledge of the ocean, and Maui using his strength and trickery. After a long and difficult fight, they manage to restore the heart to Te Fiti